Hello and welcome to lesson 3. Today we are focusing on something essential for your test automation workflow. Uploading your APK to the Kobiton portal. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to install and run your tests on Kobiton devices with ease. Let me show you how it's done. After logging into Kobiton, look at the left-hand menu and click on Apps. This is where all your uploaded APKs are stored. Uploading your app just once saves your time and effort. No need to repeatedly upload the same file every time you run a test. In the app screen, click on Add a new app button. Browse for or drag and drop your APK. Once the upload completes, you'll see your app in the list. To learn more about that specific app, click on the drop-down. This will have details like app version ID, package name, supported OS, and uploaded date. Next, copy the Kobiton Store ID associated with your app. You'll paste that reference into your Appium script so Kobiton knows which app to install on the device during a test. And that's all for lesson 3. You have successfully uploaded your APK and explored the extra details Kobiton provides like the app version ID and the package name. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to use the Kobiton Store reference in the real Appium script. So stay tuned.